going on, guys? Today we're going to make some Greek chicken, and here are the ingredients. We got some garlic, paprika, crushed pepper, some salt, and basil. You guys can use fresh basil or dried basil, but we're using dried basil right now because we don't have basil right now that's fresh. And also we have some apple cider vinegar and olive oil. Let's get started by chopping our garlic and mincing it. We're going to mince it. We're not going to... Now you guys don't need this to be too small, but just make sure you cut it evenly. Okay, so it should be at least this small, guys. This small. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this to our chicken. Real quick. Let's move it like that. Just gonna get this over here. There we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add our condiments, our paprika, and our seasonings. Now I'm going to give it a good mix after I put the olive oil and apple cider vinegar like this. Now that we've added everything, let's put on our gloves and start mixing. The smell of vinegar is nasty, guys, but it comes out really good. And now what you guys want to do after you're done mixing it is you need to refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours to marinate. We'll be back when it's done marinating. Okay guys, so now that we let this marinate for 3 to 4 hours, we're going to place this in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for 15 minutes. Then we're going to turn it and then we're going to cook it for another 15 minutes. Then we're going to check it once it hits 30 minutes. So let's put it in. Okay guys, so now that we cooked it for about 20 more minutes, it's ready to eat and serve. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys. See you guys later. Bye.